All right, I'm calling you out. Like when the dentist asks you, how often do you floss? I'm asking you, how often do you field strip your carry weapon and rotate the ammo? In this video, we'll answer that question. How often should you field strip your carry weapon, clean it up, and rotate the ammo? But before we get into it, a quick reminder, we have a gun giveaway going on right now. You can enter for free, but it ends really soon. So just click the link in the description below and you can find out which brand new gun you could win. I am of the opinion that a concealed carrier should clean, as in field strip and thoroughly clean if it's an autoloading pistol, swing out the cylinder and thoroughly clean it if it's a revolver, his or her EDC sidearm, at least, wait for it, monthly, once every 30 days. The biggest threat to a pistol carried inside the waistband or in a pocket is the lint that will accumulate inside and out a lot faster than you think. Most lubricants also dry up or run off of a gun, so that will have to be addressed as well. I prefer to disassemble and clean my carry gun every Saturday morning, but as long as you can find the time that works for you and no more infrequent than at least every 30 days, you'll be fine. The ammunition is a different matter. If we're talking about a revolver and you never sweat or it never gets rained on, it is entirely possible that you could carry the same rounds for decades and never experience any failures to fire when you do finally drop the hammer. If, however, you're constantly racking your rounds into and out of a semi-auto's chamber, you will want to both rotate your ammunition within your magazine, as in do not keep chambering and ejecting the same round, and completely replace the rounds about once or twice a year. Some swear that it must be done more frequently and some swear it's a waste of money, but about once a year works well for me. And then again, we had that discussion about magazine springs. You don't want to be over flexing your magazine springs. They'll be fine. Check your ammo after cleaning your firearm and inspect your carry ammunition. All the bullets should be protruding from the front of the case the same distance. Line them up and confirm this. None of the rounds should be discolored or look any different than they did when they came out of the box. This would also be time to rotate your rounds within your magazine. As you rack a round into and out of your pistol's chamber, the rims at the bases will begin to wear and the bullets can begin to creep backwards. They can take a few cycles in and out, but don't ask for much more than that. As for revolver rounds, they should be similarly inspected and replaced if there's any bullet setback or any corrosion on the bullets. If your pistol gets soaked with rain or sweat and you cannot dry everything off within an hour or so, you're going to want to move these rounds to the training pile. But as for both cleaning guns and rotating ammunition, I treat them both like I treat visiting the restroom. Even if I kind of suspect that maybe I should visit the restroom, I do. And if I even kind of suspect that maybe I should clean my gun and swap out some ammunition, I do. This is something you're betting your life on. Make sure it's clean and functional and working properly all the time. That's your gun, not the restroom reference, just to be clear. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. Quick reminder, we got that gun giveaway going on. It ends really soon. All you have to do is click the link below and reveal which brand new gun you could win. And while you're there, comment. Tell us how often you clean your gun. I'm Kevin Michalowski, Director of Content for the U.S. Concealed Carry Association. If you enjoy videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell. We'll notify you every time something new comes out. Stay safe.